doing an unboxing video of this new pool vacuum because we just opened our pool. Say hi, Mom.
Hello. We have the Hayward.
Hayward.
Oh, Hayward.
It's a new vacuum. Instructions.
Above Ground Series Suction Pool Cleaner Start Guide. Oh, what do we have in here?
Got this box.
Oh, that is
The vacuum.
the vacuum.
Put that off to the side.
Yes. Here is the owner's manual.
Owner's manual. Here's some tubes.
Get all the tubing out of there. Alright, let's move this.
Let's get this out of the way. No, paper. We need this. This stuff needs to stay. Okay.
I don't know what that is. We don't need that.
So,
Let's see what we got.
okay.
Clear debris, check pool chemicals. Yes, so that's connect hose filters. What's this? Oh, that's the one.
Okay.
What's that? So, filters. Okay, so
That one guy I think goes to the filter.
remove label and connect to cleaner. So this one goes to the cleaner.
This one goes to that.
And then this goes
To this one. This will connect to this via that, like that.
Okay.
So that connects like that to make it even longer.
And we're gonna need a long one because we have a big pool.
Yeah, and when we were taking off the cover, some of the water that was on top got in. So we need the vacuum quick. Make this pretty long.
And that one.
Then this one. Which one would connect to the filter?
That one is. Whoops! Oh, wait, that one.
This one? Oh, this kind.
The orange one connects to the filter. Oh, you mean to the?
The filter. Yeah. Which one connects to the filter?
It goes on like the end of one of these.
Yeah.
Goes into.
The filter.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's do this. Let me do one.
Oh, other. They're hard. You gotta snap. They are very hard.
They're pretty.
Extreme. Oh, no.
They are really hard to find. Right. No, wrong side. So this is. Do we need every single tube?
I'm gonna put them all on there.
Just in case. Oh, the instructions. We need those. Oh, it just fell. Oh, it was another tube. Hey, another tube that we needed.
Don't think we'll need all the tubing, but we're gonna let it run
And see.
and see.
Can I look at this? Take a sneak peek. Since that's what I probably should do because I'm not doing anything. So while she's putting the tubes together, I'm gonna do this. Oh, it's just it's the whale again.
Oh, did they send us the whale again?
Yeah.
So send us a different one, but
It's okay.
whale will work.
The whale is fine. I'm fine with this whale. What's her name again? I forgot.
I don't know. We're gonna give her a different one this time.
A different name? Okay.
Yeah.
This is the same exact whale we got before. What the? What?
Yeah, turn it around.
Oh, like this. No?
Flips down like this.
Oh,
And
okay.
up into there.
So basically, like,
Or it goes into here.
Goes
and
into
down
there.
Into there. You don't want to turn it around. It might make it easy.
and put it into there.
It might be easier if you turn
Turn
it.
it around, and then I do it.
Last one was what? Wally the whale?
Wally the whale, I think it was, yes. I don't know what this one is. Okay. Whale. It's hard to... I think that's how you're supposed to put it on. Either that or they sent us broken.
I think that's in.
Yeah, I think that's in too. That's in. So it also comes with this.
Yeah, I gotta see exactly what we need to put on now.
And also this.
I gotta look in the manual and see what we need to.
This is the whale. Whale check. Oh, the tail just came off.
I gotta see. Look in the manual and see how it's.
So I had it on. So I had the whale's tail on. Did I? Did I not? Yeah, I did. Perfectly on. I don't remember. It wasn't that side that went into it. It wasn't that side. That would be really weird.
Oh, this is how it goes on the end.
Oh. Where's the... There it is.
This is what goes into. Okay.
So that goes into where? The filter?
Filter.
Oh, so that goes into there.
Where the skimmer is.
Basically, where all the things get sucked out. If I somehow get past that, they'll get stuck again in the filter. Okay. Okay, I know what you're talking about. What does this do? Cleaner, speed. Hayward. Hayward. That doesn't go there, does it? Doesn't go there. No. I think this piece right here. Yeah, this goes right here. That says literally on the thing to put this into there and to clean it. There. Ah, my phone.
Okay.
It's okay. My phone's fine.
I'm glad your phone is fine, but it's that.
This?
Yeah.
It didn't touch it.
Fell?
No, this fell.
Oh, your phone fell.
Yeah, my phone's absolutely fine.
Alright. Flow gauge is. What is this?
Take a second to read that.
Is this the flow gauge? Right? Okay.
Okay. Take a second to read that. And then take a second to read that. Yeah. And then take a second to read that one. So this is all how it works. Whale check. Hold on. This is where the stuff all goes into, and then it all comes through this pipe. It comes out that end and goes into the filter. So this is where it all gets sucked into. If you touch this with your foot, it would not hurt at all. It just tickles a little. We've had this before, so we know. Yeah. That's the underneath of the whale. Was it Wally the whale you named it?
That was who we named it.
So what do we name it now?
I don't know.
Leave a comment.
Black
Leave a
thing.
look black thing.
The black. That's got to go on it.
Where? Like I was gonna.
No.
Oh,
This up.
like I was gonna say. Leave a comment. Leave a comment below what we should name it. Because we named it before. We just don't know what to do it now.
Where's that at?
Hey, Mom, the thing's gotten up to the filter.
Okay. That's good.
Oh, what was that? Oh, it's the tail. Hi, Coco.
This rides on the wheels.
OG fans will remember Coco. Yeah, that. So then the tail goes back on like this.
The tail does not want to stay on, does it?
No, it doesn't. Go, Bambi. Hi, Bambi. Good dog. Cute dog. She's cute, but cute. She's cute. How are you supposed to put that on? I don't think you're supposed to put it on like that.
Well, it doesn't want to stay on. I'm trying to see if I flip it another way.
I don't think that'll work. Because it won't stay on. It's just going to fall. You can't pick it up by it, or else it'll just come falling on
Why,
your
you don't
hands.
want to pick it up by that.
No.
It doesn't say in the mail how to put that on.
That's pretty stupid. I'd say that for myself. That's pretty dumb.
Yeah, see, it doesn't even say.
What about this page?
You can look through there, but it doesn't even say. I just don't want it falling off and then getting run over.
That's not the one we're on. We're not on the penguin. We're on the whale.
They're all the same.
Except for the whale that has that little clip thing.
Oh, I think I got it on.
You got it on wrong?
No, I said, no.
Okay. So I'm looking through the whole thing and it's not telling me how to put it on. Finally, we're to the whale. Hopefully.
No, I don't think. That's all different.
Different languages.
Languages on there.
These are all different languages? I just went through a whole thing for languages?
Yeah.
Screw this manual. You were just staring at the box.
Yeah. Hopefully, we'll just have to make sure when we pick it up, not to.
Pick it up by its tail.
Yeah. Are not
Maxman.
staying in.
What is this for?
To regulate the
Well, I never paid attention
amount of water that goes.
into it and not.
Yeah,
Okay.
but we don't have
No! There that goes.
like that type of.
Wait.
I think that's more for like in ground.
Oh.
If you buy certain regulators for it.
Okay. Why is stuff moving? Oh, probably because of the wind. It's a nice day
Like you
here.
can put a regulator valve on it,
Hmm.
but we don't need it. So
Okay. I get you saying.
yeah, it says if the black disc is outside of the box on the Mac side and you have connected your hose to the skimmer, reduce the vacuum water flow. It has to do with.
We needed that max sucking.
I know that.
Well, the
What's
pool's
the-
almost actually up to the.
Yeah, we got a little ways to go. Once it's full,
It's almost.
we'll let it skim for a while.
It's almost up there. That's where it's. It got to get to up to that second to last screw. I'll show you.
We got to get it into the middle of the filter.
Into the middle of the filter. So about in between the second to last and the second to first. In between the second to last and the second to first. Oh yeah, we got a heater here too, and the filter. We got everything hooked up. Hooked up, you say. Hooked up, you say. So it's supposed to be up to here. Right there. It's supposed to go up to about up here somewhere. Somewhere above that screw. Around that screwish. It's supposed to get past that. And yeah. Next recording. Oh, my shoot. Well, we gotta end it early. My phone's about to die. So, like, subscribe if you thought this was cool, and comment the name of the whale. Goodbye.